What's going on, world? It's your boy Carbonate, and welcome to Epic Whipz, mate. And today, oh mate, today is an epic day. Why? Brace for it. Because today we get our clutch kit installed. Finally. Literally, I had this clutch kit, the Exedy Stage 2 3-plug clutch kit for about, what, 2 months now? Maybe more? I don't even know how long it's been, but I had it for an extended period of time. But finally, we're getting it installed. And luckily, this is the first time I'm using this Rotary Shop close to me. My last mechanic, he's way too far away for me to bring the car over there to just get a clutch kit installed. So I went to a local Rotary Shop around me. This guy's located in Kissimmee. I brought my car already over there on Friday, and then he said he'll have it done no later than Wednesday, and today's Tuesday, and he said it's ready to go. So let's see how it actually came out. Literally wake up every day and I go to my garage and I'm like, yeah, I see it, but I can't drive it. I know what you want. I got what you need, but I can't do it just yet. So today is finally the day where I'm able to drive this car with no issues. Hopefully with no issues, fingers crossed. Enough of that. We are headed to Kissimmee to pick up one grade 8 now. Right now. When I say now, I mean right now. What's going on? We are here picking up the RX8. I am super stoked right now because it's the clutch. It's finally installed. And I know, I want to get footage of it being installed, but unfortunately, the way the world works, we couldn't get it done. All right, but it's not. Let's take a look at Miguel's shop. You guys, yeah, most of them are RX8. All right, here we are at MR Rotary Shop with Miguel, the owner. Please tell us about this shop, man.
Yeah, so this is a Rotary Shop. We work with Mazdas, RX-7, RX-8, race cars, turbo application, anything got to do with rotary, we're here. This is a 13B 4-port engine for a customer. It's a fully rebuilt. Yeah, everything's new. Apex seals, fully rebuilt, freshly in the inside, and it's gonna go for 1st Jan.
Nice. Something like this right here, then.
Yeah, like that.
Pretty much like this. Ooh, sick. Love the color scheme, man. Love the color scheme. Sweet. And definitely, if you're located in Kissimmee, obviously, if they want to reach you, it's right there. 407-517-856. Cool beans, man. Does great work. He just installed my Exedy Clutch Kit.
So this is a RX8 engine, Renaissance. This is the street port. This is the metal plate, rear plate, front plate.
Sick.
That's the street port we do here.
Great work. Wow, it's shining.
Oh, it's shining.
So we made it back home in one piece. The car runs great, it's smooth. I literally have no complaints whatsoever. Miguel, they did a great job over there. Highly recommended. If you're in the Orlando Central area or Kissimmee, wherever the case may be, and you have a Rotary, definitely need to check them out. If you have an RX8, you 100% have to check this guy out. But we're back, Mike. We're back. Right now, it's dirty. It is highly dirty. So we are actually gonna wash it and get it all nice and sexy. And I don't know, maybe drive around a little bit. Yeah, I'm saying,